Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mr. Official. I'm at Level 3 headquarters here in Chicago. And today, I'm gonna do something a little different. We're gonna be talking about product knowledge. Right? We're gonna be covering some of the basic essentials that I use when demonstrating a shave. Let's go. All right, guys. So as you can see, I've already laid everything out for you guys to see. These are my go-tos when I shave. Essentials: shave gel, aftershave, my shaving towels, and of course, your razor blade holder. We have a couple of different options and we're gonna get into that and explain the differences. So that's my go-to, my bread and butter. The thing I love about the shave gel is that it applies clearly. So what that does, it allows me to see the skin, see any imperfections in the skin, and also softens the hair and moisturizes the skin before applying the razor. Also, compared to other foams, the shave gel, once it's applied on the skin, you never have to reapply it, right? Because it coats the skin. So you can take a simple application, some water, rub it into the skin, and it reactivates the shave gel. And again, you never want to apply the razor without applying the shave gel, all right? After the shave gel, we're gonna go ahead and move into the aftershave. So these two are hand in hand, like a dynamic duo, Batman and Robin. However you want to call it, your 1-2 punch. You need the shave gel, you need the aftershave, right? And you can't do a shave without what? Towels. All right, so level 3 towels, they have some really cool, heavy duty, big towels. I love these towels. They're really nice and full. They have the full size towels. If I'm doing some beard sculpting, and my client has a really dark beard, what I do is I take the white towel and place it around the beard. What that does is it creates a contrast, right? So that way when I'm sculpting the beard, the white towel creates a contrast with a dark colored beard, right? So that's one of the pros with using the white towel. The black one, vice versa. If you have an older gentleman that has more salt in his beard, like a salt and pepper beard, or an older gentleman that has an all white beard, you can use a black towel to create that contrast. Last but not least, you cannot do a shave without the blade holder. Level 3 has a couple of different options for you in various colors. And more simple style is called the push carriage blade. Why is it called the push carriage blade? Because once you open it up, it has a thumb grip here and you push it out like so. Option number 2, the A-Rod A-Milli blade. This is more of a premium blade. This blade right here is a little more weighted. It has a couple of different features. Number 1, it has a feature where you would take your fingers, pinch the front, and then set your blade in there. Really simple. So all you would do is squeeze and set your blade in there, and then boom, you're done. Now the cool thing about this blade is that you can adjust your setting on the blade. Instead of a more stationary setting, this one has it where you can set your blade to be exposed. You can squeeze it down and set the blade lower if you like a more traditional setting. So it gives you that option. There you have it. So as far as my shaving process goes, I pretty much broke it down to you. Very simple as long as you have the right products and the right tools. Level 3 has all of it available for you. Shave gel, aftershave, the different colored towels to create the contrast, and obviously whether you want to go with an economic blade or a more premium type of blade, both are available at level 3. I'm Mr. Official. I hope this was beneficial. Salute. Thank you for tuning in.